Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Annie, and today, we're diving into one of the best video editing software available for PC users, CapCut. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned video editor, CapCut has something for everyone. Let's get started. CapCut is a free video editing software developed by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. It's known for its powerful features, ease of use, and versatility, making it a favorite among content creators. First, let's take a look at what makes CapCut stand out. CapCut offers a range of editing tools that cater to both basic and advanced editing needs. Here are some of its key features. Basic editing. Easily trim, cut, and split your video clips. Advanced effects. Add transitions, filters, and special effects to make your videos pop. Text and titles. Create stunning text overlays and titles with a variety of fonts and animations. Audio editing. Edit audio tracks, add background music, and sync audio with video effortlessly. Multi-layer editing. Work with multiple layers for more complex editing projects. These features make CapCut a powerful tool for creating professional quality videos. Now, let's talk about the user experience. CapCut's interface is clean, intuitive, and user-friendly. The layout is straightforward, making it easy for beginners to navigate while providing advanced options for experienced editors. Whether you're editing your first video or your 100th, CapCut makes the process smooth and enjoyable. CapCut is designed to work well on a variety of PC setups. Here are the system requirements to ensure optimal performance. Minimum requirements: Windows 7 or later, 4GB RAM, Intel i3 or equivalent processor. Recommended requirements: Windows 10, 8GB RAM, Intel i5 or equivalent processor, dedicated graphics card. If your PC meets these requirements, you'll have a smooth editing experience with CapCut. Now, how does CapCut compare to other popular video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve? Let's break it down. Cost: CapCut is free, while the others require a subscription or one-time purchase. Ease of use: CapCut is more beginner-friendly compared to the steep learning curve of Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on video editing. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover next, and download link for CapCut is in pinned comment, and if you download it from there, we'll get a 7-day free pro.